YouTube, so just cook your burger like you normally would. Well done, medium rare. I'm not gonna bore you with the cooking a hamburger, but we're gonna make a really great burger today for the 4th of July. It's Sunday, and we're just gonna keep turning this till we get it to the desired taste, flavor, and look. So see you at the recipe. So as our burger continues to cook, I put in everything bun, and we're just gonna warm these. So just warm these or get them to the color that you want. And that burger continues to cook. I like mine more well done. Alright YouTube, so our buns are cooked. You see how those are brown and charred around there? We got some bacon, we got that cheese, and our burger's basically done. So put 1 or 2 slices on the burger. And the thing is, you see the cover now? We're going to melt that cheese. And then we're going to make a great American burger for 4th of July. It's Sunday today. You'll see this video tomorrow. God bless America, and God bless everyone. And also God bless the world. Alright YouTube, so there is our burger. Cheese is perfectly melted. We got the buns and the bacon, and then it's just lettuce, tomato, and a red onion. So we will get started building, and then we will eat. Alright YouTube, so we are ready. We got the bun that was put in the pan with butter and charred and brown. Got that 80-20 burger with American cheese, bacon, red onion, fine ripe tomato, a nice leaf of butter lettuce, and today I'm going to use this burger dipping sauce. This is just like the Big Mac sauce, and this is really good. If you want it on the burger, you could add ketchup or mayonnaise, but I'm going to use this. This can be found in America and in Canada, and probably online. This thing is awesome. Freak Flag burger joint. So let's get started, and then we'll eat. Alright, so we're going to get started. Here's the bottom of the burger. Take that, and take some of that Big Mac sauce, and just spread that around with the back of your spoon. Look at that. Look at that sauce with the char and the brown butter. You can buy probably this. If you don't want to use this sauce, find it in your local grocery or your market, or find the recipe online. So we're going to put that on there. Then take your lettuce, and we're going to take a tomato and put on there. We're going to take our burger, and the thing you're going to want to do is come back here and just dab a little bit more sauce on there, and we'll add the bacon and the onion, and then some more sauce on top. Alright, so this burger is looking really good. This is how you can make quality food at your house and skip the restaurant and have to pay like $10 for a burger. So let's put the bacon on, and then we're almost set. Alright, so load this bacon up as much as you want. Don't be stingy. So I think that's basically it for that. Like I said, look at this burger. Alright YouTube, so we're done with that. Now you're going to want to take your red onion and put it on top of there. So you see how this has come together. Now if you made this for your children and your wife, or if you made, or if there was a female who made this for their husband, they would definitely enjoy this. So this doesn't have to be a 4th of July burger, Memorial Day or Labor Day. This could be an everyday burger. All right, so here's the top of the bun. We want to take some more special sauce, which is like Big Mac, and then just spread that apart. Like I said, in many recipes, you know how much sauce you want, or if you don't want that much. It's all up to you. This is a preference. So we got that. And we're going to get ready to put that on top of the burger. And then we're set. Now the challenge is getting this in your mouth. Look at that thing. Alright, so I was going to say Facebook. Here we go, YouTube. There is your 4th of July Great American Hamburger. Cheese, bacon, special sauce. This thing is really juicy. The biggest problem is getting this into your mouth in one bite. But this just shows you that you can make quality food at home, burgers and hot dogs, and skip the price of going to like restaurants and paying $10 for a hamburger. But look at that. That is quality. So thanks for being part of my channel. I know when you see this, it's going to be on July 5th, but I hope everyone had a happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July to our military, our troops, men and women, and all the people who risk their life to protect the USA and the world. So you be safe, and I will see you Wednesday. God bless. Dan Soy. Peace. Love you.